Aswaria, you are suing the defendant, Austin Swanholm, for $1,484 refund for an Audi that you purchased from him?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are countersuing, sir, for $1,200 for emotional distress.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll start with you, ma'am. Tell me what's going on here.
I was looking to buy a car, and I found a Craigslist ad that was posted on the 17th of July, 2015, that listed clearly in the title that it was a 2003 Audi A6 with low miles. The price was $3,200 asking.
Okay, do you have a copy of that with you?
I do.
May I see it, please?
Yes.
So you see the ad on Craigslist and...
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, just find that for me. Then you contact the defendant?
I did,
And what
yes.
happens?
So I contacted the defendant and I asked him if this Audi was available for sale. He responded and said, yes, it was. And we had several text messages back and forth. 24 hours after the posting was on Craigslist, it was deleted. So then I was curious to know if the car was still available, and he said yes. So then I coordinated with a friend of mine, who turns out to be the key eyewitness in this case, who came with me on the 20th of July, that is a Monday morning, at 11:30, we meet the defendant to look at the car. And then my friend, who's the eyewitness, drove it, looked at the odometer, and it wasn't working. So we couldn't confirm the mileage. On the 19th of July, I asked the defendant to provide me a VIN number so that I could run a Carfax report on this car.
Before you purchased the car?
Yes, before I purchased the car. He provided me a fake VIN number. Again, that's a screenshot on my phone. I have that as a text message from the defendant. That VIN number rang up a 2003 Audi A6 that matched the detailed description in the Craigslist post.
How long had you owned this car, sir?
Well, it's not even mine. I was selling it for a friend.
You're selling it for a friend?
Yep.
Okay. How long did you have it?
I had it for a day before that.
Okay, why were you selling it for your friend?
Because he's not computer savvy.
It doesn't take a rocket scientist to post an ad on Craigslist.
Well, he knows
Does he have
I'm
a
real good with
computer?
Craigslist. Yes.
Then he knows how to post on Craigslist.
He's never posted on Craigslist before.
It doesn't matter. By the way, did he tell you he was selling this car on behalf of a friend?
No. He told me clearly.
This is your first time hearing that?
Yes.
Okay,
This is
stop
the
right
first
there.
time I'm hearing.
Stop. Now, she sends you a text and she asks you for the VIN number.
Right.
And you send her an incorrect VIN number, right?
I guess it was incorrect. I have no idea.
But you said in your statement that you may have made a mistake and sent her the incorrect VIN number. I'm just trying to understand, did you make a mistake? It's a lot of numbers.
Well,
you
it must
type in
have
the wrong number.
Right. I mean, it must have been I asked my buddy for the VIN number because I didn't have the car at the time when she asked for it.
Okay, did you have the paperwork for the car at the time?
No.
At any point prior to you purchasing the car, did you write him and say, hey, this isn't the right VIN number, it comes back to another car?
No, so here's what happened, Your Honor. When he gave me the incorrect VIN number, I ran the Carfax report. It matched the details that was in the Craigslist post.
Okay.
Correct? So then when we go to see the car, that's when we compare the VIN number on the car is different to what's on what he provided me the day before.
Okay.
So I asked him at that point that the VIN numbers didn't match up, and then he came up with a story about how his brother had an Audi, similar Audi that he was trying to sell, and he probably mixed up the numbers.
So then you know the VIN number on the car before you purchase it, right?
No, well, just before I paid him the money.
Right, before you purchase it. You know the right VIN number on the car.
Right, yes. This is my first car that I'm purchasing, Your Honor. So I have never seen what a title looks like. I did not know that the mileage is something
Isn't that why you brought your friend with you?
Yes, I did bring my friend with me.
What good was he?
Well, so here's the thing.
By the way, Your Honor, her friend she stated that he was a mechanic, and he was the one taking out everything out of the hood and everything, looking at everything.
I did not say he was a mechanic, Your Honor. My friend and I were completely distracted by the defendant. He was showing us all sorts of frills and thrills in the car. You know, things like fog lights and this and that, which
he was showing you all the bells and whistles.
Now, in hindsight, yes, I wish I had paid more attention, but I didn't.
Plaintiff Aswaria Satyaya Narayan says Austin falsely advertised a used car on Craigslist. She's suing for a car refund. Defendant Austin Swanholm says he doesn't know because he sold the used car as is. He's countersuing for emotional distress.
You see the odometer is broken. You see the actual VIN number for the car. You see it's a 2002 Audi because it's on the title, but yet you still purchased the car.
Yes. I did hand him the money, and he just vanished from the scene. So before
he's not a cartoon character. He didn't just vanish.
No, but Your Honor, you got to realize that he just left. He just fled the scene.
He fled the scene.
And so what happened is then I went back to the actual owner on the title. So he has drawn up a contract between the sale between him and the defendant, and that contract says that the defendant purchased the car from him for only
$1,500.
No, $1,537.
Okay, so hold on a second. So
Okay.
you bought the car from the previous
No,
owner?
I didn't buy a car. I didn't buy it.
Your name, is she going to show me an affidavit with a contract between you and the previous owner, sir? She
No,
says she has proof of it. What am I about to see right now? Think before you speak.
No, yeah, you can, I don't know what she has.
What?
I have no idea what she has there, but I didn't buy the vehicle.
So you did not enter into a contract on July 16th, 2015 to buy this car?
No,
So that's not your signature.
no, it is not.
So here's what we're going to do, Mr. Austin. I would like for you to, would you take this over to him? Sign that for me, please. I'd like to examine your signature, sir.
If you like any signatures that I have, I mean, they're all, I don't have a signature. You can ask my girlfriend here. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm dead serious.
Why am I not surprised?
So, oh gosh. Okay, thank you. Before I could even get your signature, you ought to give me an explanation, is what you're telling me.
Well, yes, I mean, you can look at
It's
any
definitely going to be
documents that I
different, is
signed.
what you're telling me. Okay, well, according to how he signed today, it's a different signature, but I understand that when you're on the spot and you know I'm comparing signatures, it's probably going to be a little different. Who's your witness?
This is my girlfriend here.
You want to step up? What do you want to say? You can step over to the lectern.
I just want to say that I'm here because she's only contacted us once after the sale. She has not contacted us multiple times before. I was there. It was all through my phone. I heard him say everything that was happening, like what was wrong with the car. It was his friend's car, and she knew that. She came, and she still bought it. She was still interested. She was very interested even after he told her everything that was wrong with the car.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yep.
Thank you. Here's where we are. When you sell a used car, private sale, by default under the law, is an as-is sale. And what that means is buyer beware. The only exception to the rule of the as-is sale is when you can prove that someone actually committed fraud to induce you to buy the car. Everything you told me about, the odometer wasn't working, the VIN number that you saw on the car wasn't the same in the ad, and that the miles were higher, these are all things you knew when you saw the car before you handed over the money. I say to you, you have to do your due diligence. I understand this is your first car purchase, so this is a lesson that you will learn. What is your counterclaim for emotional distress about, sir?
Not only had to leave Minneapolis, I mean, I've had...
You had to move out of the city?
No, I had to leave for 2 days here, and I mean, I have to pay babysitting costs for my newborn, and I mean, stress I'd have to come all the way out here. I mean, I'd definitely rather be in my hometown right now.
So a trip to Los Angeles with your girlfriend has stressed you out, and
yeah.
you want her to pay you over $1,200?
Yes.
Okay, your counterclaim is dismissed. Your judgment against him is dismissed as well, ma'am. Good luck to both of you.